Hey, everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a clipping mask in Canva, a super simple and effective way to create stunning designs. So, let's dive in. First things first, let's start by creating a new design. Head over to Canva and click on Create a Design. For this tutorial, I'm going to use custom dimensions of 4000 by 4000 pixels. So, click on it. Feel free to adjust the size based on your project needs. Once you're ready, hit Create New Design, and you're good to go. Now, let's add a clipping mask. Go to the Elements tab on the left side of your screen. And then type a frames in the search bar. Then in the Frames section, click on See All. You'll see a variety of shapes and options. For this example, I'm going to use a simple circle mask. Once you've selected your shape, drag it onto your canvas. This will be the base of your clipping mask. Next, we need to add an image to our mask. Head over to the Photos tab. And now search for background. Now choose a background picture that you like. I'm going to select something colorful for this example. As you drag the image over the mask, you'll notice that it snaps right into place. You can adjust the positioning by double-clicking the image and moving it around until you're happy with the placement. Now create a new page. Now that we've got the basics down, let's try creating multiple clipping masks within the same design. Go back to the Elements tab and choose another shape. I'm going to pick a square this time. Drag it into your canvas. You can select any frame you like. Just like before. Add a background for your frame. Then drag your images over each shape, and they'll snap right into place. This is a great way to create a collage or a more complex design. You can mix and match shapes and images to get the look you're going for. Let's add some more flair to our design. Create a new page. Add a mobile phone frame to your design. You can change the background color or add more images to your clipping masks. Simply click on any shape, go to the color picker, and choose a new color that complements your design. Remember, you can always use your own uploaded images if you want something more personalized. Just drag them onto the canvas, and they'll snap right into the masks, just like the Canva images. Create a new page. Now, let's explore a fun option, letter frames. You can find these under the Elements tab by searching for letters. This allows you to create text with images inside. For example, I'm going to pick the letter yes. Drag an image into the letter, and it snaps right into place. This is perfect for creating personalized monograms, initials, or even full words with a unique twist. Now create a new page like we have before. Let's have some more fun. Canva offers a wide range of shapes and frames, like this donut shape. You can find it in Frames section. It's super cool and adds a playful vibe to your design. Simply drag your image into the shape, and there you have it, a fun and unique design element. Once you're happy with your design, it's time to make any final adjustments. You can move things around, tweak the colors, or even add some text on top. When everything looks perfect, click on a share, then a download, and choose your preferred file format. And that's how you create clipping mask in Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more design tips and tricks. See you in the next video.